The letter M makes the sound. Listen to me. Okay, your turn to repeat after me. Great job! Now, let's learn some words that start with the letter M sound. Mom. Mom.
Mom. Mom.
Mango. Mango.
Mango. Mango.
Milkshake. Milkshake.
Milkshake. Milkshake.
Good job! My mom is making a mango milkshake. Yummy!
Let's sing.
All right, kids, it's singing time. Are you ready to sing a song about the letter M?
Yeah!
Great! Let's go! Letter M says Letter M says the letter M says There are words that start with M, milk, melon, and mango. There are words that start with M, meal, mint, and meat. Letter M says Letter M says the letter M says There are words that start with M, milk, melon, and mango. There are words that start with M, meal, mint, and meat. Great job singing! I had fun learning about the letter M sound. Did you?
Yeah!
Excellent! I will see you in the next video. Bye!